Hey you guys, welcome back. Today I'm making me a breakfast. I'm making me like an omelet, and this my eggs. I'm adding some cheddar, some complete seasoning, and I have my sausage already cooked here. I had some red sweet peppers. So without further ado, I'm gonna get started. But it's with a twist, you guys. So sometimes what I like to do, I would like to add cottage cheese to my eggs to give it that more creamy texture. This just is me and just how I like my eggs. So I'm going to use some cottage cheese and I'm going to add it in my eggs, you guys. So once I get that incorporated, I'm going to be back and I'm going to show you how I look. Okay, you guys, I added my cottage cheese to the mixture. And what it does, it gives it a creamy texture. It's so good. Then the cottage cheese, you know, it's good for you, you guys. So, and if you don't want the curds in there, just use a hand blender. See, already my mixture is turned lighter. So I'm going to add just a little complete seasoning to this. I love this seasoning. Okay, just a little bit. It smells so good. So now you guys, I'm about to incorporate my peppers. Okay, you guys, now I'm about to pour my mixture into my skillet. And here is my sausage pieces, you guys. So I'm gonna cut my heat up just a little bit to 3. And you can add whatever seasoning you like. Add a little black pepper. Okay, you guys, now I'm about to add my sausages. Oh, it smells so good in here. The sausages look like they almost can be steak. Yes, indeed. My little veggies. Okay, and I'm about to add my cheese. About to add my cheese. Here you go. See, my omelet is bubbling, you guys. Ooh, it smells so good in here. Yes, indeed. Okay, you guys, my omelet is all done. And I'm going to drizzle some more with some cheddar cheese on here, you guys. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. My house smells so divine. So, that's a twist for making the perfect omelet or just any scrambled egg, or you want to make a baked egg recipe in the oven with like spinach, mushroom. Just try a little cottage cheese and just stir it up, you guys. It make your eggs so creamy and delicious. So I thank you guys for watching, and bye bye for now.